Hello, it's Jason Carlson, and I'm hoping to get a picking video done this morning. I have our Lebel's puppet in the vise, and I have on a couple of occasions opened this, just not on video. So, wish me luck. Start all the way in the back. Three. It's a bit crunchy. And the keyway on this has been brutalized. A lot of people have beat on this lock. And there it is. Ooh, lucky pick. Let's get that out of the way. And get her opened up. I want to see what's inside. Yes. Better make sure I got a shim. I've been working on so many challenge locks recently, trying to build them. I got stuff scattered all over the place. Go. All right, don't want to unmummify the key. And I'll tell you what, Al makes some awesome locks. Love working on his locks. They are so cool. So, yep, definitely open. And that is tight, crazy tight. Yikes. All right. Okay. Wow. Really? Only need to pick 3? That's weird. So it looks like 1, 3, and 4 need to be picked. 2 and 5 are stuck. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Let's get them all out. What we have here is a failure. I'm hoping I didn't mess something up when I put the follower in. But we've got some very beautiful serrateds in 2 and 5, and it looks like they fell down into the core. And another serrated in 1. And 2, yep. Just a spring. So, looks like this lock may have been beat up a tiny bit, but I'm seeing serrated on serrated on serrated. Correct you. There you go. See a lot of serrated. Come here, you spring thing. And man, I hate to say it, but I think I lucked out. From what I can tell, core contains no mods, no serrations, no nothing there. And same with the Bible, but looks like 2 and 5 actually had the driver pins stuck down inside the plug. So here's what we've got. Whoops. Lebel's puppet. Knocking things all over behind me. Number 1, key pin is standard. Number 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all standards. And then all of the driver pins in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all beautifully serrated. Looks like it was done with a razor blade or some very fine option. Great. All the springs are the same, probably copper bronze or bronze phosphorus. And no mods to the Bible or the core. Thank you very much, Albert, for making this great lock. And seemed a little bit easy, so apologize for that. I'll put it back together and get it on to the next picker. Everybody have a great one. Thank you very much. Keep it real, keep it legal, and go through the lock.